Today, I want to talk to you about why doing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy makes more sense than doing debt consolidation. Let's assume you have $50,000 in credit card debt. What would a debt consolidation plan look like? Well, let's make some assumptions. Let's assume you have $50,000 in credit card debt and you're going to pay it interest-free over 5 years, if you're lucky. And let's assume that you're going to pay a debt consolidation company 5% as their fee to do this for you. If you pay over 5 years, you're going to pay $875 a month for a total of $52,500. Chapter 13 is also a debt consolidation, but there's a couple of very big twists to a Chapter 13. One, the payment you make back to your creditors in a Chapter 13 is based upon what you can afford to pay, not what your creditors want you to pay. You see, you and I determine what your payment's going to be back to your creditors in a Chapter 13. Your family eats first, the creditors eat second. And then you're going to pay for 36 months minimum, or in this example, 60 months. If you pay $200 a month for 60 months, you will have paid $12,000. Now that's not going to satisfy your $50,000 in credit card debt. So you ask me, well, Wes, what happens to the $38,000 that I didn't pay? It gets wiped out forever, tax-free. Why would anybody do debt consolidation after what I just said? You see, in debt consolidation, your creditors are going to eat first. Your family is going to eat second. In Chapter 13, you eat first, your family eats first, your creditors eat second. Let's focus on you now. If you had $50,000 in credit card debt, would a Chapter 13 make sense for you and your family? Would you feel less stressed tonight if your debts were resolved through a Chapter 13 bankruptcy? Join the thousands of people that we've helped over the years get a fresh start, either through a Chapter 7 or a Chapter 13, by doing what they did first. They called us. They set up a free consultation.